this wonderful activity. Salamat Pastana for preparing all the things, and ang parte lang namin is to welcome you here, at alam ko naman yung mga paputs sa inyo, and hoping for the best, na kasi nakita namin yung this is our dream. Actually yung perspective, yung dream ni Mrs. For so many long na nagkaroon kami ng ang tawag dito, discussion, kung ano yung maganda. And doon susok sa budget. And siyempre, medyo tight ang budget, kaya ganyan. Pero napakaganda pala ang mga perspective ng Bastana. So, I hope may mga terms and conditions naman na pinirmahan kami ni Mrs. na napakakapal. Pero it's worth the wait, nasabi nila. Although, manong months, Mama? Almost. Almost a year na kasi ito nangyari. So, finally, congratulations, my wife. Congratulate ko siya kasi, siyempre,
ako lahat kasi ako nag-process.
siya lahat. Ako naman kasi, puro kwan lang. Puro suporta lang. Sometimes, iba yung support. at halo na basing nga ako. You know, couple is a couple. Alam mo naman natin, di ba? We don't have that kind of perfect relationship. Di ba? Pero, we will call it not only a house, but a home. So, thank you, Bastana.
Thank you for raising this wonderful occasion of our lives. Thank you for coming here in our simple abode. I would like to thank Bastana for giving us this opportunity. Bastana is the best for me and the best for us. With God's grace, Bastana just pop up on the FB, Facebook, then the rest is history. It was really a feeling of fulfillment for me. Feeling of fulfillment because of Bastana, and I'm very thankful to Bastana. If I were to recommend any housing loans, what do you call that, projects, I would first recommend Bastana. I hope these words of mine would reach the Bastana CEO, Dr. Cecil Fajardo Apostol, and to everyone present here. Hindi po kayo nagkamali sa pagpili ng Bastana. And kami, hindi kami nagkamali. Ito na po yung resulta, and wala akong masabi, but it's a 100% filled with passion and compassion. Ito ay nagawa with the heart.